Hey cousin, what course you take in senior high school? Wait, are you grade 9 in this school year? Yes, I'm grade 9, but I'm still thinking what course I take in senior high school. What about you, Cass? Same, but in grade 12, I'm changing UMS to tourism. Huh? Why? It's hard when you take in UMS in grade 11 but changing tourism in grade 12? Of course not. In our school, in grade 11, we have same subjects. But in grade 12, we have different. Okay then, I'm taking tourism when I'm become senior high school. Really? Then that's good. Yeah, but I'm still thinking if I should take tourism. What about you? Yes, I'm still thinking. Maybe if there wasn't a pandemic, I know what courses should I take by now.